जागो और जगाओ से कवि का आशय क्या है? Wake up and make someone wake up. What is the meaning of this? What poet want to say with these lines? जागो और जगाओ से कवि का आशय है कि हमें जीवन में खुद भी जागना है और दूसरों को भी जगाना है. Poet is telling in life we also be aware, we also be active, lazy free, and we should make other also the same. क्योंकि प्रकृति में सभी ने आलस को त्याग कर अपने आप को जगा दिया है. Because we know त्याग कर means after abandon, leaving, they have left laziness and become active in the nature. So we are also part of nature. So we also should do the same. कवि होश में आने को क्यों कह रहे हैं और कहते हैं? Why poet is telling to be in senses or to be conscious of mind, to be in the conscious of mind. कवि होश में आने को इसलिए कह रहे हैं क्योंकि का संसार का सेकेंड poet is telling to be in senses and to be active, no, not to be lazy, because सभी संसार का सभी कोना, each and every a corner of the world is active. Nobody is sleeping, nobody is lazy. So you also be active and don't be lazy. Go for work, do your duties. फिर हमें क्यों अभी तक फिर हम क्यों अभी तक सो रहे हैं? Then why we are sleeping yet? सोकर हमें अपना सब कुछ खोना नहीं है. We should not we do not have to lose everything by sleeping, after sleeping, because if we sleep we cannot do anything, then we have to lose it. So that be active, do your duties, so that you can achieve your goals, you can do something in your life. जागो उठो, जापानी संभल चुके हैं. अब ईरानी का अर्थ स्पष्ट कीजिए. What is the meaning of get up, wake up, stand up, and what you can say, stand on your legs, and all Irani